Many thanks indeed for joining us. Our sign language interpreter tonight is Lucy Mwaura. Engage with us on our social media platforms at KBC Channel 1. What are your thoughts on some of the stories that we are covering for you tonight? Let's open this coverage with our lead story now. The High Court has dismissed 2 petitions seeking to stop Parliament from Tuesday's planned impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. An application by former UDA Secretary General Cleophas Malala seeking to bar Parliament from considering the impeachment motion on grounds that the composition of the Senate as well as the National Assembly violates constitutional requirements was dismissed. The Sheria Mtaani lobby group also flopped in its attempt to block Gachagua's impeachment, with its case set for mention on the 9th of October. That report is the one opening our coverage tonight.
In the first attempt to block the impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, former UDA Secretary General Cleophas Malala argued that both the Senate and the National Assembly failed to meet the constitutional gender rule, hence both houses were unconstitutional. In his ruling on the matter, Justice Bahati Mwamuye certified the petition as urgent but declined to issue interim orders stopping the impeachment motion. The second attempt to shield Gachagua from impeachment was by Sheria Mtaani lobby group, whose application was dismissed by Justice Chacha Mwita, who ordered the case be mentioned on October 9th.
We have gone to court based on the utterances done by the Deputy Speaker, Gladys Boss Sholay. Armed with a crude weapon, a bakora, a rungu, she uttered utterances to the effect that she will ensure she will throw out Rigathi from office.
In the application, the lobby group sought to stay the attempt to remove Gachagua, pending the hearing and determination whether the National Assembly, having predetermined the guilt of Gachagua, was competent to preside over the impeachment motion.
So we are having a referee who tells us before the beginning of the game that this team X, Manchester United, is going to win this game. Now you ask yourself, then what is the reason of now participating in the game altogether if the referee has decided, even before the commencement of the game, that this team is going to win?
With the 2 petitions dismissed, the ball is now with the MPs, as a notice of motion for removal of Deputy President from office is expected on the floor of the National Assembly Tuesday afternoon. The National Assembly Minority Whip Millie Odhiambo, while speaking in Bita, instructed members of a coalition to support the impeachment motion against Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua.
There is an unwritten rule that we don't guza it if you don't guza Raila Amolo Odinga. You touch Raila, we touch. Like me, I do not sign that petition. The moment Wamaua touch Raila, I looked for the list and I've already signed.
But if the impeachment motion comes on the floor, we stand guided by articles. We do not want to hear issues of debate on such kind of wars which are not ours. We want service deliveries to the Kenyans. That is our focus. That is our position.
Nyandarua County Ward representatives, on the other hand, cautioned MPs against supporting the motion of impeachment.
Sisi tulikuchagua kwa sababu ulichukua mmoja wetu anaitwa Rigathi Gachagua. Na Rigathi Gachagua ndiye alikuwa ametuconnect. Na kwa sababu wanasema ya kwamba Rigathi ni mkabila. Kama yeye angekuwa mkabila sana, si basi mngechukua yule mtu wa kutoka upande wa Teso, mngechukua mtu wa kutoka Kuria akuwe running mate wako. Gachagua, no. Gachagua, no.
Sentiments echoed by a section of UDA delegates from 17 Nairobi constituencies who called for truce between the president and his deputy. Gisho Kiwashira, Prime Edition.